Hi guys! Yan na naman kami guys. Ha? Say, wait, wow, juicy. Good? Juicy, wow. Wow. What? Why this one? Seasoning?
The ash up with the water fire down there.
Hmm? This side need more fire. Tambok ka chicken guys.
Try and turn the fire down as well.
Okay, later again. Okay.
Got the fire sticking up now. You say what, baby?
So one chicken.
One chicken is not cooked yet. See, this is the problem. You see, when it starts to cook now, the oil is coming out.
Yeah.
The oil is what sees the fire.
Oh. Wow. Juicy. Wow. What's that, skin?
No, it's skin and hot dog.
Skin. Why am I two hot dog? Why only two hot dog?
Because that's all I have.
Wow. Ang laki niya guys. Ang laki. See, ang laki.
You put hot dog?
Yep.
So appetite here, hold it. It's hot.
You see? Let me see again. Let me see again. Show me your face. A beautiful face. My beautiful anak. Uy! You're so strong. Kick it, kick it. I've got a ponytail. Ponytail, anak?
I don't have ponytail.
You don't have ponytail? I'm sorry. Ponytail. Come on, let's go eat your hot dog. Your hot dog and my hot dog. Right? Yan, guys. Nagtulo-tulo ang juicy. Super juicy. Ayan. Hindi ko dala ang aking stick. Okay. Naunsa man ang ako ang camera. Murag malabo man ako ang camera, guys. Or akong mata ang malabo. Okay. Sama kasi pakiramdam ko para magkakaroon ako ng headache. Para magkakaroon ako or may headache na ako. Parang ganun. Syung-syung lang. So, ayan na guys. Di pa siya luto. Mag-wait pa tayo ng another. Balik-balik pa. Baliktad-baliktad pa na. Ya, otro. Tignan nyo guys ang juicy. Asa may camera? Uy. Ayan oh. Nakita nyo yung ito, yung taba. Ayan, guys. Taba ba? Ayan oh. So, tanggal ng taba. Baby, your hot dog anak. Doon. Dito nakita ko talaga siya. Sabi ko, wow. Yeah. Ah, ready na guys. Soft. Ready na. Let's eat. Agoy.
Look at all juice. Okay.
Oh, juicy.
Juicy.
Oh, juicy. Juicy.
Juicy? I want to tell you about Juicy. What do you know about Juicy?
Juicy.
Get him right.
Yeah. Come anak. Let's eat my love. Kain at hayo guys. Kain. Let's kain. Your bicycle? Faster. Yeah, faster.
So soft, right off the bone. Look how soft it is. Crispy. Almost like it's fried.
Oh, yeah. Fried chicken. Come here now. Where are you? Exercising, you know? So, yan ang akin. Yan sa aking mahal na anak. Agoy, it's time to eat na. It's getting dark na, oh. It's getting late. You know, it's time for our dinner, Dalthea, Thea. Come on. It's time to... Oy, oy, oy. Come on. Dali na.
4 hours.
Ha, 4 hours?
Yep.
I love you. May bike naman siya. Bakit nagdagandagan pa na siya? Why are you running? You have bicycle. Yeah. It's 9 o'clock.
My tummy came from.
Guy, ginoo ko. Like Mommy Tummy?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Ang sama na. What happened, my love? Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Peekaboo! I love you. Hi, I love you. Oh my God, the mosquito. Man, don't bite me. Gosh. Faster.
One, Mom.
Uy, bless you. What? Agoy. Okay,
Bye-bye!
Okay, bye, guys.
Bye! Bye!
Thank you very much for watching our videos. Maraming
Bye!
salamat po sa walang sawang pagsuporta ng aming channel. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Ang aking cellphone ba? May problema. Ayusin ko nga.
Bye!
Okay, enough na. Bye.
Bye!